Well, jury selection is underway in the child sex abuse trial of Wendy Holland. This after a judge denied a motion to move the trial. Fox 10 News reporter Hal Sherrick live in Bay Minette with the very latest on this. Hi there, Hal.
Because of pre-trial publicity and the defense's concern over seating an impartial jury, the attorneys will have an expanded jury pool to choose from. A normal trial jury pool is about 35 people. In this case, they will have 76 to choose from, and I'm told that's about the same number you'd find in a capital murder case. Before the jury selection began this morning, Holland's attorney requested a continuance, saying that the state didn't provide thousands of pages of potentially key testimony until late last week and intentionally withheld evidence. The motion for continuance was denied. The defense also argued that a key witness who used to work for the Department of Human Resources is unable to testify at this time because of medical issues. Holland's attorney said she was the first person with DHR to interview the alleged child victim in this case. Judge Bishop reserved the right to subpoena her at a later time. Defense attorney Mitzi Johnson Theodoro opened up her questioning of the jury pool by asking who watches the news, and specifically how many were familiar with the Wendy Holland case through media coverage. Nearly 40% responded they had. At the end of questioning, those 30 people were interviewed individually about their knowledge of the case. And those interviews are still ongoing. The rest of the jury pool has been released until 9 o'clock in the morning. Now, Holland faces charges of endangering the welfare of a child, sodomy first, sexual torture, and sexual abuse of a child less than 12. Wendy Holland was the wife of Donald Holland Sr., who was found dead in 2012 with a self-inflicted gunshot. Other members of the Wood family that have already had their day in court include William Brownlee, who was convicted and awaiting sentencing back in October. Also have Dustin Kent, Randall Scott Wood, who pleaded guilty to their charges and are also awaiting sentencing. Then we have Derek Wood and Donald Holland Jr., who both received youthful offender status, and their cases are sealed. I'll be here throughout this trial, keeping tabs on things, and of course have any updates here on Fox 10 News and on fox10tv.com. As I mentioned, everything is set to reconvene with the entire jury pool at 9 o'clock in the morning. This may be a lengthy process as they try to weed through this jury and seat an impartial 12 with 2 alternates. Reporting from Bay Minette, Hal Sherrick, Fox 10 News.